guys, Teeny here, one of the co-founders from Soil Dynamics. We're here to do a garden bed now that it's autumn, or even when you do it in spring, whenever that planting time comes, to redo your beds. Well, you wouldn't start unless you had the Nutrient Rockstar. So this will put all your minerals and nutrients back in the soil. It has got the basalt in it, but it is more than just that. Check this out, typical analysis. Don't think you'll see anything as comprehensive as that one on anything else. So basically this has gone through a microbial digestion process when we've manufactured, meaning it's microbially active and easy as to apply. So a couple of handfuls, square metre, have fun with it, don't have to overthink it. Can't overdo it with this. Actually, with most of our products, you don't really have to be too worried about how much you put on, because they're about feeding the soil, and the soil will do the rest for your plants. Alrighty, once this is all done with the garden bed, basically you can sort of scratch it in if you want, but we generally don't even worry about that. We would literally just go ahead, you know, dig a little hole and start to plant, and there's your Nutrient Rockstar. Hi, so here we are. We showed you earlier, we did the Nutrient Rockstar in prepping, and then we just have gone ahead and planted them. Now it's time to straight away water in with a Happy Gut Tonic. The reason we've called the Happy Gut Tonic is because it's like a green smoothie for your soil. It's filled with these amazing compounds that stimulate root development and create immunity in the plant. So it's a seaweed tonic. It's commercial grade, and basically we'll just be putting in 2 capfuls in a 9-litre watering can, which I prepared earlier, and this will do about 8 to 10 square metres. Just give it a good little water in. I'll just be going back and forth, and that's all you do. And then next week we'll be adding the protein shake to drive some growth. Here we are, week 2 in our garden bed. Last week we showed you how we prepped it, which was with our Nutrient Rockstar. Then we went ahead, planted the seedlings straight away and watered them in with the Happy Gut Tonic. The reason for that is that the Happy Gut Tonic stimulates root development and creates immunity in a plant. Now it's time to drive some growth with the protein shake. So the protein shake is made from 100% fish. It's been naturally broken down by an enzyme digestion process, which retains all the proteins and natural oils in the product. So even though this product has got about 3% nitrogen in it, the key is that when it actually hits the soil, the natural proteins and oils stimulate the soil biology, which then release nitrogens to the plant. These being seedlings, we're only going to put 2 capfuls per 9-litre watering can into it. 1 capful is generally about 20 mils. Again, you don't have to be too exact. These are not harmful. If you overdo it, don't be too worried about it. Also, all our products are commercial grade. So I prepared one here earlier in a 9-litre watering can with the 2 caps, and this will do this garden bed back and forth a couple of times, and you'll probably have a little bit of leftover. So we generally say it'll do 9 to 10 square metres, and stay tuned for next week with our Jurassic juice.
Hi, Anthony Quinlan from Soil Dynamics. We're in week 3 with a little veggie patch here. Last time we applied the protein shake, which was the hydrofish. We're now going straight into the Jurassic juice. Now this is one of my favourites because this is the powerhouse of the soil. If you think about all the products of food groups, protein shake was the protein that really fires up the microbes. The Jurassic juice is carbon, and it's all about energy. So you can think of this a little bit like carbohydrates. So it's putting energy into the soil. Think about it, it's somewhere between a magnet and a battery. It's putting charge into the soil because the soil's full of charge. And what this is going to do is work up against everything else that's going on in the soil, and it holds onto the minerals and nutrients. So it's very simple to use, just like everything. 1 or 2 20 ml caps. I just like to give it a bit of a glug, and then straight into it. Make sure you're not wearing your white t-shirt on this sort of stuff. Black, and it will stain paving, but it washes off nice as you get into it. So just easy does it. Quick drench,